Today we will compare the music streaming services and compare their prices to see which music streaming service is the most affordable option for us to use. Okay, we'll start with the comparison. Jio 7 is $399 per year. That's like for 1 year you have to pay $399, and this is a short-term offer when we can see it. When you can compare the free version with the pro version, you can see that there are like 55 million songs that are available both in free version and the pro version. In the free version, you need to see the ads or listen to the ads while playing some music. Otherwise, you can't play the music continuously. Jio Tunes are also available for Jio users. There are recommendations also, and once you reach the pro version, it is like ad-free music. There are unlimited downloads. You can listen offline, high quality audio, exclusive and original content. You can also listen on Sonos device, Alexa, and more other devices like Google Home. Special access and offers are also given if you use this. So $399 per year is around 34 rupees per month. Coming to Spotify, for 12 months we have to pay $699. That is like 300 more than what we are paying in Jio. And when we can see the plans here, it is like they offer a 3-month premium for free, and after that you need to pay a certain amount each month. And for the family plan, it is around $179 per month after that. There is also, you can also see that there are like plans. When we can see for 3 months, it is like $119 per month here after the trial period of 3 months. And if we want to go for 1 year plan, it's like $699. Here also you can find approximately around 45 million songs in this plan. In the YouTube platform, there are a little greater advantages when compared to other platforms here, and when you can see, it's like $129 per month for an individual plan, and for family plan it is around $189 per month after 1 month of free trial, and for students it's around 79 rupees per month. This is almost double than what we pay in the Jio 7 Pro version, but there are also advantages like you get YouTube ad free. That means all the videos on YouTube are ad free. You need not watch any ads here. YouTube Music is also ad free. There is YouTube Kids also as premium service. Google Play Music also is included into this service. So there are millions of songs here also, and you need not watch any kind of ads on this service. In Gaana.com platform, there are around 30 million songs which we can see here in the last that they have written. So here they claim that they have 30 million songs. And coming to Gaana Plus subscription, we can see that the Gaana Plus subscription service is around $399 per year. There is also 1 year student pack at $149. I think this is the most affordable that we have right now. But the thing is that you need to have a student ID card or something to register before changing this plan. And every year I guess you need to renew this because Gaana subscription service requires a student ID card that is valid. Other than that, it is $399. It is equal to Jio's subscription service. On the other hand, Apple also has a music streaming service that is available for Android and iOS users. When we can see here, the student plan is around $49 per month, individual plan is around $99 per month, and family plan is around $149 per month. So here when we can see it, there are like 60 million songs plus existing music library. That means your internal MP3 also will get played here. Listen to music online or offline. When we can see download 1 lakh songs to your library. There is a limit on how many songs can you download onto your device with this music subscription service. So access across all your devices. So access for up to 6 people in the family plan. It is like for each individual there is a personal account. So Apple Music is also good subscription service, but the cost is not like Gaana or Jio, slightly higher when compared to other music streaming services for a 12-month plan. Also, it is offering 6 months free trial. Wing Music subscription service comes bundled with the Airtel plans, and this is more useful for the Airtel users. And there is no specific list of plans that are available for other Android users. I just tried searching for more details on the internet, but I could not find any kind of exact details, and the details were available from the articles that were written in the year 2016. There were no details here, so I had to dig more in the Google Play Store to check how many songs are available, and here when we can see that it has 6 million songs. Also supports Chromecast. So when compared to other music streaming services, this has very less songs, but also the pricing details are not available. I guess I need to download this app to know how the pricing happens for this music streaming service. So I just downloaded the Wink Music app on my phone to check how much they are going to charge for a premium service, and it is around 99 rupees per month, which is not so affordable compared to Jio and Ghana music service. To conclude, Ghana Plus student plan has the most affordable plan for students. Jio7 stands in the first position with 45 million songs in the list and at the cost of 399 per year. That's like 34 rupees per month. And YouTube has covered the most platforms for the ad-free music and video experience. If you have liked this video, give a like to this video and share the video with friends and let them know that they can still save some money on their music subscriptions. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications on the new uploaded videos. BitHub is also available on the platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest to make sure you never miss an update.